Homesteading, page 132, canning continued. Fruit with 1/4 under ripe. Cooking cores and peels along with the fruit will also increase the pectin level. Avoid using canned or frozen fruit as they contain very little pectin. Be sure to wash all fruit thoroughly before cooking. 1 pound of fruit should yield at least 1 cup of clear juice. Ingredients. For apples, 1 cup of water to be added per pound of fruit. 20 to 25 minutes to simmer fruit before extracting juice. 3/4 cups of sugar are the ingredients added to each cup of strained juice. 1 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Yield from 4 cups of juice, half pints, 4 to 5. For blackberries, water to be added per pound of fruit, none, or 1/4 cup. Minutes to simmer before fruit extracting juice, 5 to 10. Ingredients added to each cup of strained juice. For sugar cups, go 3/4 to 1. For lemon juice, tablespoons, go none. Yield from 4 cups of juice, half pints, 7 to 8. For crab apples, water to be added per pound of fruit, 1 cup. Minutes to simmer fruit before extracting juice, 20 to 25. Ingredients added to each cup of strained juice. For sugar cups, go 1. For lemon juice, tablespoons, go none. Yield from 4 cups of juice, half pints, 4 to 5. For grapes, water to be added per pound of fruit, go none, or 1/4 cup. Minutes to simmer fruit before extracting juice, go 5 to 10. Ingredients added to each cup of strained juice. For sugar, go 3/4 to 1 cup. For lemon juice, tablespoons, go none. Yield from 4 cups of juice, half pints, you're going to get 8 to 9. And lastly, for plums, water to be added per pound of fruit, go 1/2 cup. For minutes to simmer fruit before extracting juice, go 15 to 20. For ingredients added to each cup of strained juice, go for sugar cups, go 3/4. For lemon juice, tablespoons, go none. Yield from 4 cups of juice, half pints, you get 8 to 9. Directions. Number 1, crush soft fruits or berries. Cut firmer fruits into small pieces. There is no need to peel or core the fruits, as cooking all the parts adds pectin. Number 2, add water to fruits that require it, as listed in the ingredients table above. Put fruit and water in large saucepan and bring to a boil. Then simmer according to the times in the chart until fruit is soft, while stirring to prevent scorching. Page 133. Number 3, when fruit is tender, strain through a colander, then strain through a double layer of cheesecloth or a jelly bag. Allow juice to drip through using a stand or colander to hold the bag. Avoid pressing or squeezing the bag or cloth, as it will cause cloudy jelly. Number 4, using no more than 6 to 8 cups of extracted fruit juice at a time. Measure fruit juice, sugar, and lemon juice according to the ingredients table and heat to boiling. Number 5, stir until the sugar is dissolved. Boil over high heat to the gelling point. To test jelly for doneness, use one of the following methods. Temperature test. Use a jelly or candy thermometer and boil until mixture reaches the following temperatures. At sea level, 220 degrees Fahrenheit. At 1,000 feet, go 218 degrees Fahrenheit. At 2,000 feet, go 216 degrees Fahrenheit. At 3,000 feet, go 214 degrees Fahrenheit. At 4,000 feet, go to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. At 5,000 feet, go to 211 degrees Fahrenheit. And at 6,000 feet, go to 209 degrees Fahrenheit. At 7,000 feet, go 207 degrees Fahrenheit. And lastly, at 8,000 feet, go to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Sheet or spoon test. Dip a cool metal spoon into the boiling jelly mixture. Raise the spoon about 12 inches above the pan, out of steam. Turn the spoon so the liquid runs off the side. The jelly is done when the syrup forms 2 drops that flow together and sheet or hang off the edge of the spoon. Number 6, remove from heat and quickly skim off foam. Fill sterile jars with jelly. Use a measuring cup or ladle the jelly through a wide mouth funnel, leaving 1/4 an inch headspace. Adjust lids and process. Process times for jelly without added pectin in a boiling water canner. Process time at altitudes of. The style of pack is going to be hot. The jar size is half pints or pints. From 0 to 1,000 feet, go 5 minutes. For 1,000 feet to 6,000 feet, go 10 minutes. Anything above 6,000 feet, go 15 minutes. After the process is complete, turn off the heat and remove the canner lid. Wait 5 minutes before removing jars. Lemon curd. Lemon curd is a rich, creamy spread that can be used on or in a variety of tea time treats, crumpets, scones, cake fillings, tartles, or meringues are all enhanced by its tangy sweet flavor. Follow the recipe carefully, as variances in ingredients, order, and temperatures may lead to a poor texture or flavor. For lime curd, use the same recipe, but substitute 1 cup bottled lime juice and 1/4 cup fresh lime zest for the lemon juice and zest. This recipe yields about 3 to 4 half pints. Ingredients: 2.5 cups superfine sugar, half cup lemon zest, freshly zested, optional, 1 cup bottled lemon juice, 3/4 cup unsalted butter, chilled, cut into approximately 3/4 inch pieces, 7 large egg yolks, 4 large whole eggs. Directions. Number 1, wash 4 half-pint canning jars with warm, soapy water. Rinse well. Keep hot until ready to fill. Prepare canning lids according to manufacturer's directions. Number 2, fill boiling water canner with enough water to cover the filled jars by 1 to 2 inches. Use a thermometer to preheat the water to 180 degrees Fahrenheit by the time filled jars are ready to be added. Caution: do not heat the water in the canner to more than 180 degrees Fahrenheit before jars are added. If the water in the canner is too hot when jars are added, the process time will not be long enough. The time it takes for the canner to reach boiling after the jars are added is expected to be 25 to 30 minutes for this product. Process time starts after the water in the canner comes to a full boil over the tops of the jars. Number 3, combine the sugar and lemon zest in a small bowl. Stir to mix and set aside about 30 minutes. Pre-measure the lemon juice and prepare the chilled butter pieces. Number 4, heat water in the bottom pan of a double boiler until it boils gently. The water should not boil vigorously or touch the bottom of the top boiler pan or boil in which the curd is to be cooked. Steam produced will be sufficient for the cooking process to occur. If superfine sugar is not available, run granulated sugar through a grinder or food processor for 1 minute. Let settle and use in place of superfine sugar. Do not use powdered sugar. Bottled lemon juice is used to standardize acidity. Fresh lemon juice can vary in acidity and is not recommended. If a double boiler is not available, a substitute can be made with a large bowl or saucepan that can fit part way down into a saucepan of a smaller diameter. If the bottom pan has a larger diameter, the top bowl or pan should have a handle or handles that can rest on the rim of the lower pan.